Hello, here we go again with Bayesian networks. Today we will talk more in detail about S-structures, meaning serial structures. We have three nodes, of course, and when the node A is influencing the node B and the node B is influencing the node C. You remember that we have talked about the D-separation concept. In the case of the D-separation, the node B is just enough to explain completely the behavior of the node C. So we don't need to involve node A in any way in order to fully explain the node C. And now let's see some examples of serial structures. Disease progression. In medical diagnosis, you might have a sequence of variables representing stages of disease progression, such as early symptoms, advanced symptoms, and diagnosis. Academic achievement. In education, a chain structure could represent factors influencing academic achievement, like study habits, test performance, overall grades. Supply chain management. In business, a supply chain might involve stages like supplier quality, production efficiency, and product quality. Weather forecasting. Meteorological prediction could involve a chain structure like atmospheric pressure, wind speed, and precipitation. Customer satisfaction. In customer feedback analysis, you might model factors leading to customer satisfaction, like product quality, customer service, and overall satisfaction. Economic indicators. Economic variables might have a chain structure such as employment rate, consumer spending, and gross domestic product. Epidemiology. In the spread of a disease, you could model factors like contact rate, infection rate, and recovery rate. Agricultural growth. Agricultural productivity might be influenced by rainfall, soil fertility, and crop yield. Traffic flow. Traffic congestion could be modeled as vehicle density, traffic speed, and congestion level. Learning a skill. We learn a new skill. You might have variables like practice hours, skill proficiency, and performance level. Thanks for watching.